I think I might be able to get maybe 17 words. Not a good texter. Let's talk about your forecast. Hopefully you can enjoy the last few hours of summer-like weather because things are about to change pretty quickly as we're heading into the late afternoon and the evening hours. Temperatures now, it's 82 degrees out there. The winds are gusting, coming in out of the southwest at 13 miles an hour, just ahead of the cold front. Barometer 29, 94 of an inch. The dew point is at 67 degrees. I did bump up temperatures this morning all the way up to the mid 80s, 86 for that expected high today. And then we'll start to see things cooling off. In fact, at least at this point, it's hard to see where the cold front is because it's basically right on top of Lake Erie, but that is going to start to move our way. And as it does, obviously our temperatures will start to drop. We're looking at temperatures just in the 60s for highs tomorrow. We might struggle just to do that for the afternoon. Now, we do have some clouds around in places like Du Bois, Franklin as well, and that's helping to keep those temperatures a little bit on the cool side. And they also have some drier air in place there with that 61 in Du Bois this hour. 86, your expected high. We will see some scattered storms, but at least at this point, it doesn't look very impressive, at least what data is showing, what's coming in. We still have a small chance, though, for a strong storm or two. I wanted to show you how our temperatures are going to look over the next 24 hours. 85 at 4, 81 at 6, down to 75 at 8 o'clock, and then we're already in the 60s. In fact, by midnight, we're at 63 degrees. That's what I think your high temperature is going to be on Friday. We keep going down from there, and even on Saturday morning, could have temperatures, well, I'm going to show those to you coming up in just a bit. Show you what's going on. See the little bit of rain, including some downpours first thing this morning. That was as that warm front started to lift back off to the north. Now this is where we're watching. Doesn't look like much, at least at this point, but that's where the cold front is. And we will start to see some rain showers developing off of that as it slides into our area. Now notice this data, in fact all the data I've looked at, doesn't show much in the way of any rain, but right at 6 or 7 o'clock, rain showers peaking in the Pittsburgh area, sliding through. Maybe a little bit of lightning, some gusty winds as that comes in. And then you see all these greens right there. That's because of the cool air rushing in behind it. It kind of just wrings out the atmosphere of any moisture. And as that happens, some light drizzle will be possible late tonight into the early morning hours of your Friday. Temperatures on Friday, 50s as we're into the afternoon. And look at the wake-up temperatures on Saturday morning, including Pittsburgh at around 41 at about 8 o'clock in the morning. We do have a chance in Pittsburgh to actually see some 30s first thing on Saturday morning. There's your 7-day outlook. 86, yeah, the high today, plenty warm. 63 the high on Friday, but really the afternoon, Christine, we're looking at a high probably at like 59 for afternoon temperatures. And then we're back up. 66 on Saturday, more seasonal as we're heading into the weekend. Also a note, Hinesfield, big game Sunday. Does look like some rain showers will be around for the Steelers.